Okay, so currently our trash is taken to landfills where toxins from waste seep into the soil. Gases such as ammonia, sulfides, and methane are released into the air. Landfills pose a great threat to our environment, yet what do we do with our trash then? One way to reduce our waste is recycling. Recycling our trash is easy and something every one of us can do and partake in to help save our environment. Today I will discuss what recycling is, why we should recycle, and ways you can recycle. So let's begin with what is recycling. Recycling is the process of breaking down and reusing materials that would otherwise be thrown in the trash and taken to our local landfill. Recycling is imperative when it comes to reducing our carbon footprint. It reduces our air, water, and land pollution. The motto is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So that brings us to why should we recycle? Well, it's estimated that each person creates an average of 1,600 pounds of waste every year, and 1,100 of those pounds are recyclable materials. That's roughly 75% of our waste that could be recycled. Recycling is a way of saving energy and our environment. As stated in the Pace Bowler blog, Americans recycled enough aluminum cans in 1 year to conserve the energy of more than 15 million barrels of oil. So according to the Illinois Environmental Council, in Illinois alone, we generate 19 million tons of garbage a year, and only 37% of that is actually recycled. Illinois creates 19% more waste per capita than an average state. So this makes recycling even more imperative for us. So with the 7 million tons recycled, this saves enough energy to heat and light more than 500,000 homes. So recycling also creates jobs. A job landfilling 10,000 tons of waste creates 6 jobs, where if we recycle 10,000 tons of waste, it creates 36 jobs. So there's actually 42 landfills in Illinois right now, and those are filling up. They have a life expectancy each of 21 years. So this means in 21 years, we're going to have to take more of our land and create another landfill. So while the Illinois statistics affect us personally, this is a global issue that affects everyone worldwide. So you may be asking, what can you do? So many cities offer curbside recycling programs that offer residents a convenient way to recycle glass, aluminum, newspaper, and cardboard. There's also drop-off facilities throughout the city, and you can drop off electronics, phones, and batteries. So here's some ways all of us can start too. Recycling bins. If we have them in our home, it makes it much easier. It's just easier when it's readily available. We can also buy paper that has already been recycled or print double-sided. Use dish towels instead of paper towels. For straws, we can get ones that are metal, and then we don't have 100 straws we're throwing away. Water bottles, that's another issue. It takes up to 450 years to decompose one water bottle, where we could just use cups. So what do these items become when we do recycle them? Well, paper can be recycled into paper plates, construction paper, or even facial tissue. Aluminum cans are melted to make new cans. Glass is melted down into new glass containers. So in conclusion, recycling is something each and every one of us can do in order to reduce our carbon footprint. However, recycling is also a matter of choice. So I hope after hearing the current recycling facts in Illinois, you may decide to start recycling. One person can make a difference. Thank you.